Hi everyone, welcome to another video. The first tutorial on Script API is a remake of an old tutorial series I made half a year ago. That tutorial series is long outdated. It was about game test. Script API is game test but renamed. It's been renamed for a while now actually. There's so many new features. It's kind of crazy how much it's changed over a few months. So this will be the first video. We're gonna talk about how to set up new Script API, things you should be mindful about, and stuff like that. So let's start. First off, you're gonna need a file here. Alright, this file is gonna be any more development behavior packs. So you wanna go to your com.mojang. If you don't know where your com.mojang is, then it's right here. What you want to do is go to Windows, type run, open it. I'll have this in the description. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to paste OK, and yeah, it opens. This is actually my development behavior packs, so it's even better because you want to go to com.mojang, development behavior packs, make a new folder, name it whatever you want. I'm currently using this folder right here. Inside of here, you need this one file. It has to be called manifest.json. This file tells like Minecraft, what your add-on is, what it does. It has name, description, UUIDs, everything. I already have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just paste it. Oh wait, no. Here we go. Don't mess with this. I'm going to tell you what to mess with. The name here. Change the name to whatever you want your pack to be called. Same with the description. You want to have a new UUID. I have an extension that can generate UUID at first. If you don't know how, I'll leave a link in the description. A UUID generator. Change this UUID. Keep the version the same. Minimum engine version doesn't really matter. I'm going to put it as the newest version as of the time of recording this video, which is 1.19.7. I think it's 1. I'm going to give it a 70. Alright. Modules. Change this UUID and this UUID. Yeah. Entry. We're going to talk about this later. This is important though. Dependencies. These are dependencies that you can use with the Script API. It's Minecraft server, Minecraft game test, and Minecraft UI. Make sure you do not change the versions, at least not yet. The next update, 1.19.80, this can be changed from 1.1.0 to 1.2.0. Make sure to watch the changelog so you know when to update this version. But these other two versions, they stay the same. Back to the entry. This is where our file, where all our code is going to be. Right? It's going to be in folder scripts at index.js. You can change this to whatever. So if I want it to be main.js, instead of index here, it's going to be main. I'm going to use index because that's just what I'm used to. There we go. Now this is all you need to start Script API. Now if we go to Minecraft here, what you want to do is you want to create a new world. There are a couple of things you need here, so make sure you don't miss them. What you need is under cheats. I'm gonna go enable cheats because I'm lazy. Or no, not under cheats, I guess under advanced, no, experience. Right here. You need to enable beta APIs. Turn on experiments. You need beta APIs. You also need to go behavior packs, available, and find your pack, which is this one. Remember Script API tutorial? Script API tutorial pack made by Blazed. Right here. It's the same name, it's the same description. want to click activate. So now it should be active. Once you have that, you can go ahead and configure your world. Doesn't really matter what you do. And so I'm gonna go and call this script API tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and create. Computer isn't that good, so it's probably gonna take a little while to create. But while this is happening, let's go into the code. So currently, there's nothing. This pack does absolutely nothing. There's nothing in here. You know, or make it do something. So to start out, we need to import a couple things. Import. We want to import world from @minecraft/server. If you are using Visual Studio Code like I am, it's going to be linked in the description, then you may not get this whole autocorrect here. You're not going to see Minecraft server, you're not going to see, we're not going to be able to control click them, you're not going to have these massive typing files. Massive typing files, you're not going to have those. The reason is actually quite simple. Wait a minute. What you need is Node.js. Google it, find the first item, click it. Download the recommended or the current, neither one works. Download it, finish downloading, whatever, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, what you want to do is you want to go in Visual Studio Code, terminal, new terminal, and here you want to write npm I @minecraft/server @beta. You can also do -UI -game test. However, the UI and game test, they don't need beta. We're going to be using mostly Minecraft servers, so I'm only going to install these. I'll install other ones once we get to them later in the series. Alright, so now you should have either a new folder will appear here, or it's not going to appear at all. It doesn't matter, either one, just make sure don't delete the folder. So then typing should work if you restart Visual Studio Code. So notice now I have it imported, I can do world dot, and I have many different things to do here now. Since this video is already getting pretty long, I'm gonna go ahead and leave us at this. This is just to get started, you know, finally learn how to start scripting. And yeah, once you have this, if you already know JavaScript, you can go to ham. I have a lot of things in the description. So yeah, hope you enjoy. See ya.